are gonna blind me, but I won't feel blue like I always do, 'cause somewhere in the crowd there's you. Sick and tired of everything. When I called you last night from Glasgow, all I do is eat and sleep and sing, wishing every show was the last show. So imagine I was glad to hear you coming. Suddenly I feel alright, and suddenly it's fine. And it's gonna be so different when I'm on the stage tonight.
Hi Auntie Gemma, Uncle Mario, and to everyone who might be listening to this right now. This is Aya, Auntie Gemma's niece from her brother Loloy. First and foremost, I just want to greet my Auntie Gemma a happy 68th birthday. May this another year bring you lots of love, laughter, joys, and blessings. I want you to know that I thank God for your life because you are such a blessing, not just to me, but to everyone in the Mungado family. You may be miles away, but you never let that hinder you from being the best daughter, best sibling, best auntie, and even the best grandma. Auntie, God knows how much I pray for you and your family to be healthy, happy, safe, and blessed. As I believe that for now, prayer is the most beautiful gift that I could give you. And hopefully soon, I could give you back the love and care that you have given us, especially when Papa died. Honestly, Papa and I had these small conversations wherein we plan on what I should do after graduation, which includes inviting you to my graduation day. However, due to circumstances which you already know, things cannot go as planned, and I am so sorry for that. But I believe there will be other chances that we could celebrate this milestone as a Mungado, as what Papa and I have planned. Now that Papa is no longer here and is now having a long beautiful walk with Tatay, as they always do in the morning, I want you to know that Papa is so grateful to have a sister like you. He may not be vocal, but I know that he really loves and remembers you always. And he is apologetic for all the things that he did that made you tampo or angry. I hope that before he died, he left a beautiful memory for you to remember him as your brother, just like the last meal he had with Auntie Ipin. Anyway, I will stop it here po, as I do not want to ruin this happy celebration of yours. Again, happy and blessed birthday to you, Auntie. May God bless you a healthy body and keep you safe always. But before I end this message, I would like to greet Uncle Mario also a happy birthday, as I recorded this on May 4, 2025. Uncle, happy birthday and thank you. Thank you for loving our auntie and for keeping her happy and healthy. May you both experience more wonderful things together in this life. Stay in love, happy, and safe. We love and misses you all. P.S. I'm sorry po for I opted to record an audio greeting because I got so emotional earlier recording a video greeting. That's all. Again, happy birthday, Auntie and Uncle Mario. Keep safe always. Bye-bye.
Happy first senior birthday and many senior birthday to Kamji from Manoton.
Happy birthday to my incredible sister. Today marks another year of life, love, and adventure, and I couldn't be more grateful to share it all with you. Your kindness, generosity, and infectious Smile, light up the world around you. And I feel so lucky to have you by my side. Here's to another year of making memories, chasing dreams, and celebrating the little things together. Wishing you a longer, healthier life. And welcome to the new chapter as senior citizen today, June 6, 2025. God is so good, and I love you more than words can express. Sis, have an amazing birthday. God bless. Manaipin.
Happy birthday, Te. Happy 68th birthday, Te. I wish you all the best, good health, and sunod pohon, makauli ka mo balik diri sa Pilipinas. Kung bakante hapon, ako rin musundo sa iyo pohon. Te, salamat ka na sa imo, yung pagka may natagon. Salamat sa suporta, magsabot pa. Happy birthday, Te. Thank you.
Sa Mingwan, ang may birthday nito.
Happy birthday, Mama Gina. I love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Gemma. Salamat ka radyo sa tanan gugma na kanunay nimo taghatag sa amo. Wish you more birthdays to come, great health, and happy days ahead. Enjoy your birthday, Auntie.
Hi, Ning. Happy 60th birthdays. I wish more birthdays to come and good health always. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Jem. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your natal day. God bless.
Hi, Auntie Gemma. Happy 68th birthday. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Stay safe always.
Hi Mana, happy birthday!
Hello Auntie Gemma, happy birthday!
Hi, Mana. Happy birthday.
Cheers
to 60 years. We love you.
You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your light. Cooler than the flip side of my pillow. That's right. Completely unaware. Nothing can compare to where you send me. Lets me know that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Gemma.
Ikaw.
Hello! From Davao. Naadire ang mga gwapa nga taga-iligan, gwapa o gwapo nga mga senior lang. Happy birthday, Jim! From Davao with love.
Okay, next.
Iligan, happy birthday, Jim. Good health and more pretty.
Kuko Group.
Birthday, Jim. Happy birthday, Jim. God bless, good health, peace, and happiness, and more abundance to share to your loved ones. Happy birthday. Welcome to our club. Ang club nga daghan kaayong
Benepisyo.
benefits. Number 1 sa linya permit. 20% discount. Paiban. Daghan pa kaayo. Jim, be happy and age gracefully. God bless. We love you.
Carmencita.
Hello, Jim. Here I am again.
What English ha?
Kapon, Davao, karon Davao. I wish you all the very best in life. May God grant
Gising tao
all
siya
the
postizo.
desires of your heart and enjoy your most special day. God bless and we love you all.
Pwede ka.
Aw. Happy birthday, Jim. Wish you good. Happy birthday. More people.
Happy birthday to you. Hey! Mga ang taong lawon. Oh, manok Bisaya. Iinit mo ni Jiabing tumayan.
Init tayo, Jerson.
Okay na.
God bless, Jim.
Okay.
Hello, Jima Munggadru. Happy 60th birthday to you. Welcome to dual citizenship. Stay pretty and beautiful. Kay wala gyud ka natigulang, kami ray natigulang. Continue to be a blessing to others, and life is a blessing, and you are so blessed with a loving family and a grandson. We love you, Jim. More power, hope. Sulti na to ni. May you have more healthy, long years ahead. Thank you for everything. We love you. Happy birthday. Kaya pa.
Happy birthday, Ate Jima. Amping mo kanunay diha. God bless.
Hi, Jim. Happy birthday. Wish you good health always.
Happy birthday, Auntie Jima.
Happy birthday, Auntie!
Ma'am Sheila. Sige. Happy birthday. Sige na.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sheila.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sheila.
Jima.
Oh.
Sige.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Amping.
Happy. We miss you.
I say good in your face, girl, I mean it.